Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal, step by step. If you've ever subscribed to something and forgot about it, yeah, it happens. Let's fix that in less than a minute. First, go to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now look for the Payments tab, and click on it. Here, you'll see an option called Manage Automatic Payments. Click that. Now you'll see a list of all the subscriptions and automatic payments linked to your account. Find the one you want to cancel and click on it. On the next screen, look for the Cancel button. Click it and confirm your choice. That's it. Your automatic payment is now canceled. No more unexpected charges. Always double check your subscriptions once in a while to avoid paying for something you don't use. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tutorials. See you in the next one.